Hi everyone, my name is Chef Eric Teo and welcome to FairPrice Chinese New Year Cooking Special. Today I'll be preparing for you a golden pearl in a nest. So I'll be using Knife brand 100% pure groundnut oil. So why I use this? Because the groundnut flavor will infuse into the golden pearl, which is made of prawn and yam. So I'm going to pour this into the pot and heat it up first. I'll pour about 1 liter of oil. As I pour the oil, I actually can smell the flavor of the groundnut. So now I'm going to prepare the dip. So this dip is made of Thousand Island dressing, salted egg yolk, half a teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're going to set this aside. Next, we're going to slice the yam into small dice. Okay, so this is done. We're going to put everything into this bowl. And now we will prepare the tiger prawn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice these prawns into half, and then we're going to use the back of the cleaver to smash it and make it into a prawn paste. Okay, all the impurities have been taken out. When you rinse it already, you have to make sure you tap it dry. So we just smack it. So we just lightly use the back of the knife. We just repeat the process to the rest. We'll marinate the prawn and the yam right now. A little bit of salt, sugar, just to enhance a little bit of the flavor and sweetness. We have corn flour, so about 2 teaspoons. And finally, 1 egg yolk. We're going to use this chopstick to stir first, right? And later, we're going to use the hand glove. Make sure that the prawn paste and the yam is well bind, so that when you fry, the yam doesn't fall off from the prawn paste. This is done. Okay, so I'm going to prepare the golden pearl, which is the component of shrimp and yam. I'm going to put a little bit of the Knife brand oil here, so it doesn't get stuck later. So just use a spoon to scoop, and later you can roll it. So we just portion it out first. Okay, we just repeat this, make it more uniform. So you have all the prawn and yam ready for frying. So right now we're going to fry the Vietnamese rice paper. Use it as a nest to hold the golden pearl. You need a temperature of 210 degrees. So it has to be smoking hot so that you can get the result that it is fluffy and crispy. But for deep frying the yam ball, you have to have a temperature of 170 degrees or below, about 165. Right? This is going to be a medium-high heat. So while you are frying, how to tell whether it is cooked? Well, basically when it floats up, it's more or less cooked. So now we are trying to get a golden brown color, and we remove the golden pearl out from the oil. The golden pearl is ready, and we are going to dish out right now. So I'm going to put the golden pearl. I'm going to put about 8 pieces. Alright, so we're going to put the tobiko on the golden pearl. We're going to splash it right now. Alright, so we're going to finish off with some edible flowers and some micro cress. And this is the dipping sauce. Alright, so you have it here, the wonderful golden pearl in the nest and a wonderful dip made out of salted egg and Thousand Island dressing. Now I hope you have enjoyed this cooking video. And on behalf of FairPrice, I wish you Happy Chinese New Year and 恭喜发财!